And not only here have a tunnel. Another area in Vietnam also they have a tunnel. Again with friends, we have a tunnel inside the mountain in the north of Vietnam. At the middle of Vietnam also we have a tunnel. And in the south of Vietnam they got one big system of tunnel, very famous. They have a name, Củ Chi. Everybody heard about that? C-U. C-H-I. Củ Chi, it is a big system. And the soldier from here, just okay, my group, the please to come here. And take a seat and wait over there. All right, who want to try? Yeah, take this one only straight one way. Watch your head here. And watch the head. Be careful, watch the head. Who want to try the tunnel? Come here. Come on.
And it goes all, I mean, I can see the top. So I'm staying straight up now. And then you come out where we come out, let's see. And then we came from over there, and this is like another.
So beautiful.
And then, see, they're going down the tunnel there. That's where I came from. And that's the whole circle.
Oh, you get out already?
No, just.
So 10 million people in Vietnam and 6 million motorcycles. This is just a little alley where we're doing some shopping. As you can see, there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of motorcycles. And it goes this way here. And there's more here, more. These are just some of them alleyways.